Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset mobile network settings in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. From here scroll all the way down and then go to general management. After that scroll down again, then go to reset option, then scroll down a bit and here you can see reset mobile network settings option. Then just tap here and then choose SIM card. From here you can choose SIM 1 or 2. If I select SIM 1, then tap on reset settings. Then you have to type your current PIN or password. Then tap on reset and it's done. You can see your mobile network settings has been reset successfully. Now if you go back, you can also reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, also accessibility settings from here. And that is how you can reset mobile network settings in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.